Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you one evening snack which is very easy to prepare. It's a single mixture dough which is prepared, and you can make both these shapes. It's very easy to prepare. So this snack I am going to show you today in my video. This is a simple snack which I am going to show. All you need for this snack is some buttermilk, and I have taken some rice flour, and then we need some green chili and red chili powder. So it's a very simple one. I'm going to show you how we can prepare it. First I have taken the pan in which we are going to make the dough that is required for this snack, and I have taken the buttermilk in it. Okay, I'm going to switch on the stove now. Keep it in sim and let it little bit come to a boil. Okay, I am now adding the rice flour. Mix it. The ratio for the buttermilk and the rice flour, I will give it in the description. I'm going to add few more ingredients in this now. Keep the flame in sim or the low. I'm adding some cut green chili. I'm adding some red chili flakes. Adding some salt. I'm also going to add a little bit of turmeric. Okay, we are going to mix all this together. All these things should blend well together. Okay, until that please mix it. Now I'm going to turn the stove off and just mix all of this. After mixing everything well together, I'm going to add some oil to this. Okay, add some 2 spoons. I'm going to allow this to cool. Okay, I'm going to transfer this into another plate and allow this to cool. Mix this mixture, okay, thoroughly. There shouldn't be any lumps. I will allow this to cool before we start preparing the snack. I want this to be cooled down for another 10 minutes. Now the mixture which we prepared is completely cooled down. So I have taken some white sesame seeds. It's optional. I'm going to add a little bit into this, and I'm going to mix this. While mixing this one, I'm going to take a little bit of oil in my hand so that it doesn't stick to our fingers, and then just going to uniformly mix all this. Okay, now the dough is ready. We need a flat board like this to prepare this snack. So take some oil in hand, and I'm going to take a small portion from this. Okay. We need the sticks which we are preparing as thin as possible. these sticks which you are preparing, they need not be uniform. So just take some small portion into your hand and then you can thin it like this and make it as long as you want, or cut it into 2 pieces and then just thin them further. Okay. So we have to use all this dough and make these sticks. Once all the sticks are prepared, we can start frying them. Let us just add the sticks into this oil. These are completely fried now. I am going to remove from oil. We'll add the next batch. I am going to fry the second batch now. I'll also show you another shape you can prepare using this dough. I'm going to make flat circular ones with the same dough which we prepared now, or the mixture. So that also I'm going to fry. Okay. So with the same snack dough you can prepare 2 different snacks. Okay. I'm just going to make round ones like this, and then we're also going to fry all of these. Okay. The next batch. These are fully fried now. I'm going to remove them. Our snack is ready now. I'm going to serve it. So we made 2 snacks using the same dough mixture. So these are the sticks actually, and these are the circular ones. It's so easy to prepare. For evening snack or any time you can eat this. I'll show you now how crispy these are. It's very good and very tasty and very easy to prepare. These are so crunchy. I would definitely recommend you guys to try this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.